Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. In this video, I will be doing Jumbo Marley Twist Protective Style. I really love this hairstyle and it reminds me of when I was pregnant with my son back in 2019. This was my go-to hairstyle because it's so easy and effortless to do. The longest I have taken doing this hair is 2 hours. So as you see in there, I section out a big section in the back and I'm just going to go back in with some shine and gem to now do the final parting. So whenever you see me part my hair using the rat tail comb, as you can see that I'm not taking it out until I get to the end and then just pour the rest of it out. That's how I'm able to get a decent parting without it looking so terrible. Because you guys, I do not see in the back of my hair, and I'm sectioning those out into two. It's gonna be very chunky. I'm going like behind my ear to do another row and making sure that that gap in the back is filled. That's why I like to do the brick method parting. The brick method parting is that it makes your hair look full and you see more of the hair than just seeing scalp. So as you can see again, I'm going in with the rat tail comb using my index finger to guard me, and now section taking the rest of that hair away. I'm gonna go ahead and section the back. So I section it. When I'm sectioning, I measure, but making sure I'm not going in the middle. I don't know, just watch. It make more sense when you're looking at it than me trying to explain it. All right, so you see that the third piece in the middle that will fall right there, and then you will not see more scalp. So now time to section the front. Now with the way my hairline is set up, I feel like it just gave me a guard already, but you can measure from your brow bone area and then just go around. So I have 14 twists in total. I had music playing. Okay, you guys, I had to jam to it. Okay, have fun. Just because you're doing your hair doesn't mean you have to be stiff, please. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up for the final part. At least for the front I can see, so I try to do that, make that look a lot neater. But like with this Marley twist, the jumbo twist, your hair doesn't even have to, your parting doesn't even have to be neat. I feel like the messier the better. It reminds me of butterfly twist or the bohemian twist, because the messier the better. And this is really a nice protective style. You can you don't have to put much tension on your hair, and you'll be able to take it out as soon as you want to and redo it and be able to wash your hair. Because the routine I have gotten into, like what I used to do for my natural hair when I went natural, was wash my hair at least every 2 weeks, and there came a time I was slacking. So now that's why you will see me do a lot of jumbo hairstyles, because that way I'm able to take it out maybe in 2 weeks time to wash my hair. So for the Marley twist, I'm using 4 of those strands per twist to get the size I want. So I'm using the rubber band method, and you guys know how I do already. Put it in the middle and then put the rubber band. That I found, like I'm telling you, is the easiest pain-free way to do it, and it works for me. So I'm just pulling it. As you saw, that I didn't put much of shine and gem on my roots this time around because I don't want it to be super sleek or whatnot. And I did not also put shine and gem on my natural hair like by itself. I just went and rubbed some on my hand and rub it on the Marley hair with my natural hair, just to give it a little bit of grip and just keep it in there. So I did comb the ends, but I will show you guys. Look at how jumbo and juicy they look. Okay, now back to the front. So I use 3.5 pack, but I wouldn't call the fourth one a half because I only took 2 strands out of it. But hey, you'll be the judge, okay? Yeah, so I'm putting shine and gem, but I'm not putting too much because I do not, again, want it to look super sleek. You're seeing that I'm just combing out the ends because they are tight, so if you want it to stay secure you have to comb the ends. And yeah, I'm putting in my hair butter, and this hair butter is the same oil mix, it's just the one in the jar. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start twisting around, making sure that the rubber band is hidden, and then I will just start twisting. Yeah, but like I was saying, the hair oil I've been using is the same hair oil that I usually have in a bottle. But I've been using it since 2019, especially the neem oil. That is my staple. And I've added a new oil that I keep mentioning to you guys. I started using this year, the ginger oil. It smells really good, and like when I put it in my scalp and massage it, my scalp be feeling so good. And my daughter likes it too. She said it gives her some kind of tinkle effect. So I was like, yep, that's how I feel too. And again, I'm just going to go ahead and comb out the ends. guys, that's what the hair looks like. Simple, very easy, nice and juicy. I love the chunkiness of it. Like, that is the main reason why I always do this hairstyle. And you should see it when it's getting old. Ooh, it looks even better. So realistic. And this hair jewel that I'm adding, the colorful one, it came with my Brazilian wood, and I really like it. I've been looking on Amazon for it. I hope I come across it. And everything I use in this video, if I have a link, I will leave it down below. Especially my hair oil that I have a link to. I will leave it if you want to check it out, because my natural hair been flourishing. It looks very nice and healthy, and that's my goal for my hair. Those are the final results. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to comment and like. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this video. If you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. When you do, hit that notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. I will catch you in my next video. Bye.